A for Mount Amuyaw!
Hi babe, this is me, Gia, your travel organizer. Tara, sama ka sa lahat ng adventures, hiking, and gala ko. For today's mini vlog, welcome to the start of my A to Z Mountain Challenge. 26 mountains from A to Z. Syempre, we're kicking it off with letter A. Mount Amuyaw in Barlig Mountain Province, one of Luzon's highest peak at 2,702 meters above sea level. This is actually my second time here. First was a 2 days 1 night camping, pero now I challenge myself to do a day hike. We started at 8:30 a.m., summit by 12 noon. As expected, wala nang sea of clouds, puro fog, pero the cool breeze and peaceful summit vibes made it worth it. The trail, grabe. Walang warm-up, diretsong akyat agad, expect long forest reaches, endless stairs, steep ascents, and on the way down, slippery descents. And what feel like forever stairs, totoong test ng endurance at tuhod. Pero sulit kasi Mount Amuyaw gives you the full package. Forest trails, pine ridges, Cordillera views, cultural villages, and that unforgettable summit experience. So ayun, letter A done, solid na warm up for this challenge. Next week, letter B, drop your suggestions kung anong bundok ang perfect akyatin. Want a hassle-free Mount Amuyaw climb? Book with Travel and Post PH and use my code JLESS50 for 50 pesos off. Pangkabit mo rin yun. Bye!